This was the best and happiest trip of my life after 4 long years of waiting for the petition to be approved, and after all the delays caused by the pandemic, my dream finally came true. I was able to fly my two sons from the Philippines to the United States with a connecting flight in Japan before finally landing in San Francisco. It was an emotional and unforgettable journey filled with tears of joy, patience, and love. I waited so patiently and made many sacrifices through those years. But at that moment, everything was worth it. Seeing my sons finally by my side here in America was a dream come true, one of the happiest days of my life.
Video. Hi. Smile, smile. Here's your girl. Okay, so they are very happy for the meal. Oh, delicious. Good movie.
So that's San Francisco. That's the Bay Bridge.
Steven!